Hi guys, so I'm super excited to share with you these tricks that I found. It's a DIY approach. You don't need to pay anything. This one will work as well because we will be just use Facebook and Instagram for this. Anyway, so our social media strategy for today will be how you can look for a bulk hashtag related to your niche. Without paying any tools. Okay, so there's a manual way of looking for a hashtag, and it's really time consuming, but this strategy that I'm going to show with you will really save your time because again it is a tricks. And yeah, I'm super excited to share with you guys. So now I'll be sharing with you how you can look for a perfect hashtag for your Facebook and Instagram post. And it's free. You don't need to use any paid platform in this, and it is effective because it's coming really from Facebook and Instagram. Okay, so first is to do that, go to the facebook.com, okay, and then look for, let's say for example your niche is home loan. Okay, so what you can do is just hashtag and then word loan, and you should able to see all of the related posts. Now these are the top posts that Facebook filtered, so this is more effective. So when you type in loan, home loan, something like that, home loan help, so you can see that. Now we don't want to type this one manually. It's really pain on the ass, right? So what you can do is just right click, inspect elements, and then Control F, and then bracket, and then look for UL. Okay, and you will see this part in here, but it's not that. No, it's this one. So, but yeah, if you cannot find it, okay, if you cannot find it, sometimes there's a lot of UL in here. We really cannot avoid that. So if you are having hard time to find the right target, so just click this thing in here, and then you highlight this box. Okay, and you should able to see the nearest UL. So this one is the nearest UL. Now once you already grab the nearest UL, then right click, edit as HTML, and grab, so Control A or CMDA if you're using Mac, Control A, Control C, and then go to the striphtml.com. Now this striphtml.com will remove all the HTML, format. So what you can do is just Control and then V to paste the HTML file, and then strip HTML. Okay, so this one. So this is the final result. Okay, now you just need to clean this a bit because the search for might be included on when you type in. So Control V. So just add some spaces if you want to get, because so our hashtag is more searchable. Now our business page is not from Australia, so I'm gonna get rid of that. Remove that, and that's it. Now how we can look for a hashtag in Instagram? It's still the same. So go to the Instagram.com and then look for hashtag and then property loan. Okay, property loan, and you should able to see all the all of the related posts. Now what I really like about Instagram is it has this volume. So the more volume, the better, because a lot of people are searching it. So I can look for other hashtags. So approve loan. Let's try that. Or how about approved loan? It only has 18 posts, so just play around with the hashtag that might be that can be applicable for your niche. So this 3,000, 10,000 posts is pretty decent for a very niched business. So which is home loan. So what you can do again, Control Z, right click, inspect elements, click this one, and then hover the wrapper, and you should able to be in the parent class on that. So right click, edit as HTML, copy all of the HTML thing, and then put it on the striphtml.com, and then strip. So you can see this one. Now again, this one needs a bit of cleaning, but it's more, it's better compared to doing manual, data entry. So you need to get rid all of the posts, because sometimes, the posts, number will be included after you strip the the hashtags. Anyway, if you want to see videos related to how to make money online, affiliate marketing, social media marketing, and I also have other YouTube channel that is related to web development. So if you love that kind of videos, then make sure you hit the subscribe button and click that bell notification to receive a new videos from Angie Worm. But if it's about web development, then check out BookwormHead. And by the way, if you are not yet comfortable paying for a social media planner, you can take advantage of the Facebook scheduler. So to schedule a Instagram and Facebook post, go to the publishing tools, and this is just recently released. And there is an option here to schedule the post. I've heard some gurus tell that Facebook are prioritizing content that is scheduled in the publishing tools, but you need to take this with a grain of salt. I'm not so sure about that. So yeah, so just for best practices, if you are focused only on Facebook and Instagram, then this might be the good tool for you because it is owned by Facebook. Okay, now for you to schedule, just click the create post, and then just tick this one if you want to post it as well in Instagram. And then let's look for another video that we can schedule. So maybe this one, and then dream. What's the caption for that? So when you schedule a post, always make sure that you put a space, because if you do like this one, it's a bit, it looks super spammy in the eyes of your followers. So the purpose of the hashtag is just to get found in search result, and we don't want them to see this kind of spammy thing. So just make sure that you add more spaces so the hashtag won't be visible. Other thing as well is you can comment the hashtag after you scheduled it. Okay, so just add space. So we'll be adding spaces there so it doesn't look spammy. And then to schedule that, wonder why it's not working, but let me just add like an empty period. So we're good in that. So after that, go to the scheduled post, okay, and you schedule when will it be published. Okay. By the way, if you are, you also want to expand scheduling in Pinterest and Twitter and other social media platforms, then this one won't be a fit tool because it only works on Instagram and Facebook. However, I would recommend this tool for you. I always recommend this one for social media scheduling. Reason is I am using it one. It's very affordable with a lot of features. Okay. What I really like about Content Studio is it has this discovery section where you can search for the your target audience. So let's say, for example, your target audience are cosmetics companies. So just type in cosmetics, and you can filter whether it is an influencer, it is a company, a journalist. It's super amazing. The other thing I like as well in this is it has this evergreen scheduling feature, just like in Meet Edgar. But I cannot afford Meet Edgar. Meet Edgar is super expensive, but this one is the best alternative for Meet Edgar because it can allow you to reschedule your existing post. So it's kind of you can do it like evergreen scheduling. For those who are familiar with Meet Edgar, you know what I'm trying to say. But yeah, feel free to check these out. So it's only $99 per year, and so you can use my link below to get discount, because if you go directly to the website, the price would be a bit higher compared of using my link. So anyway, so that's it. So you do the scheduled and then scheduled. So this one, he bought this graphics on Fiverr for very cheap price. You can also use the link below. But after this one, we will be doing the graphics, because I have a lot of suggestion on this graphics. It's too minimal, and I need to add more features like the save icon badges, and I want the logo will be more visible. That's my strategy. In case a client cannot afford to pay a tool, then I can do the DIY approach and also tell them the process and how you can look for a popular hashtag to your niche. And don't underestimate hashtag, because hashtag really has a high monthly search volume if you selected the right one. Okay, and again, the tool that I recommend if you can afford to pay for social media marketing tools or social media management tools is Content Studio. So it's only, I think, $99 per year, and it has a lot of features. It's not just about looking for a hashtag, because they do have a discovery features on Content Studio, but you can also look for an influencer. You can also curate your blogs. You can create and you can schedule an evergreen content, because they have this kind of evergreen features similar to Meet Edgar. It's an alternative of Meet Edgar. I also like Meet Edgar platform, but if you're looking for a cheaper social media management content, then Content Studio would be a good fit, I think. So that's it, guys. I hope you enjoy. I want to know what's your strategy for looking in hashtag. If you have other strategy that you are currently doing, then I would really love to know. Comment down below.